Have you ever felt like the universe was whispering to you, nudging you towards something bigger, something extraordinary? Well, that's exactly the journey we're diving into today with Paulo Coelho's timeless masterpiece, The Alchemist. This isn't just a book, it's a life-changing experience. This book has inspired millions around the world, urging us to follow our dreams and listen to our hearts. So, what makes this simple tale so powerful? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know the essence of this incredible story, but also discover how to unlock your own personal legend. Let's get started. A story about a young shepherd could change your life forever. That's the magic of The Alchemist. Our story begins with Santiago, a humble shepherd boy with a simple life. But Santiago has a dream, a recurring one, about a treasure buried near the Egyptian pyramids. Intrigued, he meets a mysterious old man named Melchizedek, who introduces him to the concept of a personal legend. Melchizedek says something unforgettable. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Follow your personal legend. But what is a personal legend? It's your life's true purpose, your unique path, the thing that makes your heart race with excitement. For Santiago, it's the treasure. What's yours? Let me know in the comments below. Santiago sells his flock and embarks on his adventure. But the path isn't easy. He's immediately swindled in Tangier and left penniless. Here's a life lesson for all of us. Setbacks aren't signs to give up. They're invitations to grow. Santiago takes a job at a crystal shop, learns valuable lessons, and earns enough to continue his journey. Growth through challenges. Have you ever faced a challenge that felt like the end of the road, but later realized it was setting you up for something better? That's Santiago's story, and maybe yours too. Santiago's journey is not just about the treasure. It's about the adventure, the lessons learned, and the people he meets along the way. Fast forward, Santiago's journey brings him to the heart of the desert, where he meets the titular alchemist, a mysterious and wise figure. The alchemist teaches him profound truths about fear, the soul of the world, and following your heart. One of my favorite quotes is, "Tell your heart that the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself." Overcome fear. Pause for a moment. What fears are holding you back right now? What's one step you can take today to silence that fear? Finally, Santiago arrives at the pyramids. But the treasure isn't there. Instead, he learns that the real treasure was buried back in Spain, where his journey began. At first, it sounds ironic, right? But here's the truth. The journey transforms Santiago into someone capable of recognizing and appreciating the treasure. The real wealth isn't just gold. It's the wisdom, courage, and experiences he's gained. The journey is the reward. And there's our takeaway. Sometimes, what we seek is already within us, but we need the journey to uncover it. Now, let's delve into the key messages of the book. 1. Following your dreams. The primary message of The Alchemist is the importance of pursuing your dreams. Santiago is determined to find his treasure, and this symbolizes our own aspirations. Have you ever felt scared to chase your dreams? Santiago teaches us that while the journey may be tough, it's worth it. He says, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. This idea encourages us to take the leap towards our dreams. 2. The journey is just as important as the destination. Santiago's adventure takes unexpected turns. He learns valuable lessons from a crystal merchant, a thief, and an alchemist. These encounters show him that learning and growth happen through experience. Remember the famous quote from the book, "The secret of happiness is to see all the marvels of the world and never to forget the drops of oil on the spoon." It reminds us that while we should enjoy the journey, we must also stay focused on our goals. 3. The importance of listening to your heart. Throughout the book, Santiago learns to listen to his heart. At times, his heart urges him to take risks. Other times, it warns him of danger. This connection with one's heart is crucial for making choices that align with our true selves. Do you often listen to what your heart says? It might be tough, but tuning in can guide you to your highest potential. 4. Overcoming fear. Fear is a significant barrier to pursuing our dreams. Santiago faces numerous challenges and setbacks. He even gets robbed and loses everything at one point. Despite this, he learns that fear is just an illusion. Paulo Coelho writes, "There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure." Recognizing and confronting our fears is vital for growth and progress. 5. The unity of nature and the universe. Santiago learns that everything in life is interconnected. The idea of the soul of the world suggests that when you pursue your personal legend, you are in harmony with nature. This theme teaches us that our dreams and the journey to fulfill them are part of a greater whole. Have you ever felt a deep connection with nature? Santiago's experiences remind us that we are never alone in our ventures. Now, let's share some impactful stories from the book. When Santiago meets the crystal merchant, he learns about the importance of taking action. The merchant has dreams of visiting Mecca, but has never pursued them. This encounter teaches Santiago that dreams require sacrifices and bold steps to come true. Similarly, the relationship between Santiago and the Alchemist is deeply inspiring. The Alchemist guides Santiago by sharing wisdom. He teaches him to transform himself, much like how one turns lead into gold. It's a beautiful metaphor for personal growth and evolution. As we explore the richness of the Alchemist, think about your own journey. What dreams have you set aside because of fear or doubt? Reflect on this as we move further into the lessons from the book. 6. The power of personal legend. Each of us has a personal legend, a unique purpose in life. Santiago's quest symbolizes our search for meaning and fulfillment. The book encourages us to define what our personal legend is and to go after it. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What lights up your soul? Take time to reflect on this, as it's a significant step towards living a fulfilling life. So, what can the Alchemist teach us? Chase your dreams, embrace challenges, overcome fear, and trust the process. The universe has a way of rewarding those who dare to pursue their personal legend. Now, are you inspired by Santiago's journey? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below, sharing your dream and how you plan to pursue it. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more content that feeds your mind and soul. Before we wrap up, remember this: life is more than just reaching a destination. It's about the journey, the dreams, and the lessons we learn along the way. And just like Santiago, the world's greatest treasure might just be waiting for us. So, let's keep pursuing our personal legends together. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay inspired. Unlock your personal legend.